Me too.
Sam Newey!
I was just recording
right,
then.
okay.
Oh. I'm Pooey.
Poo.
Poo! Well, you can see Ben. Newey. I just said it on mine. Anyway. Said Sam, so.
Well, but he deleted it.
Yeah, but I've just said Ben.
Sam Newey.
I have that, can I?
What?
That's my name.
Yeah, that's my name. Sam Newey.
Oh, yeah. Oops.
Yeah.
Well, don't say it again.
Alright, load.
What did you just knock over?
I want to.
Little boy, stop fighting!
Wait.
Mind!
What's going on here? Stop!
Move, you guys!
Oh yeah, it's a good one.
No, please! Sam, move! Sam, I won't go there! Fire! Fire! Fire!
Well, exactly.
Ben is stroking me. He is gay.
You'd have one of your boys. Did I agree to this? Just landed on your little God, I've completely forgotten.
Let's do it!
Down south.
Get to the guy's dead. Yeah, but
Yeah, because I've been milking in this. Why can't you, Sam? Gee.
yeah, you lazy cow.
Every time a firework goes off, you fall on the ground and
Alright.
You two are weird.
Look, watch.
What? Well, you said to. Hey, that can't even light it with lighter now.
I'm gonna start going crazy. I literally jumped on bed.
Go on, jump on them and beat them out. No, Jazz, when they go down. When they go down on the ground. Soon now. When the firework goes off, it goes down. Now, you're weird. Maybe uploaded tonight. Oh God, it's going off already.
Yeah, would that be squeal? Right. Go! No,
Those are really annoying me now. These aren't great.
Yeah.
Ben!
I'm fine.
Oh, just stood near the fireworks.
Hey!
That boy, you probably can't see, is gay. He just went. It's the finale, guys. It's the finale. Bye. You're missing the finale, and that is Ben. I wasn't going to say.
Fatty. That's my name.
That's Ben Fatty.
Yeah.
He is as fat as a
That's
fiddle.
actually my real name, Ben Fatty.
Yeah. And you guys are missing the
next are we going to play?
final.
And your name is
My name is Oliver Piggy Wiggy.
That's your real
That is
name?
actually my real name, guys.
Oliver
Seriously,
Piggy
really. It is really
So
seriously.
the surname's Piggy Wiggy.
Yeah, guys, I'll see you later after this finale's gone. Bye. Touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Stretch our wings high.
I filmed you do. This is the final.
The final countdown. That is just disgusting, Ben. What was your name? Fatty. And that's Sam Fatty.
That's Ollie.
No.
No,
His name's Oliver Piggy, didn't
do you know that?
Oliver Piggy.
Not Piggy Wiggy.
You
Dude.
you lie in the mud and eat slop.
Yes.
And you and
That was a
That was a sheep. I've seen it again.
Damn it, I'll delete
Who's Mr. Builder's an ugly troll? How long's finale gonna be? Good.
Yeah,
Go away, Ben.
Fatty.
Fatty.
My name's Ben Fatty.
Is it going?
It's Ben Fatty.
Run, Dave! Ah! Woo!
I thought that was it.